all know that first impressions last. And when a customer lands on your website or app, you want that impression to be a good one. They should be able to find what they're looking for within seconds, and their first click should lead them to exactly where they want to be. First click testing helps you understand where your customers expect to find things on your site. It gives you the insights you need to build an interface that sets your customers up for success right from the start. Optimal Workshop's first click testing tool, Chalkmark, gives you the confidence to do exactly that. Upload and share screenshots, sketches, and wireframes with participants. And conduct a range of first click activities to understand what your customers find intuitive and efficient. Analysis is quick and easy, with click map options that give you the objective data you need within seconds, and help you identify key findings to share with stakeholders. Build your website based on robust data and make sure the first click is the right click with Chalkmark from Optimal Workshop.